Do you have a situation like this that you turn off your light but it is still turned on? You can see that I can turn on my light, turn off, but it is still shining. I can turn off completely and now it's turned off. So what's the problem? Usually the problem is that your switch disconnects to the neutral wire instead of the hot wire. I will show you it right now. I will change neutral and hot wire in the light, so the switch still disconnects the neutral wire. I will turn on it like that, and it is still shining. And now I will change the switch, so the switch will now disconnect the hot wire instead of the neutral wire. And now when I turn on that, the light is turned off. Now you can turn on, turn off. The light is now turned off. So the problem is usually the switch disconnects the neutral wire instead of the hot wire. So it looks something like that. You have your light, two wires come off it, and you have connected the neutral wire and the hot wire, and here on the neutral wire you have a switch instead of the hot wire. So please don't fix it yourself if you don't know what you are doing. Call the electrician, tell them what the problem is. They will safely fix it for you. So please don't risk your life if you don't know what to do. So that's what I have for you. Like, subscribe, and be nice.